Hello students, welcome to SPM Polytechnic Kumte Solapur. This is the video lecture on Introduction to Subject C Programming Language. I welcome you all in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. I am Miss Amruta Nandal, working as a lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. In this video lecture, we will going to see syllabus of C Programming Language. In last video lecture, we had seen list of units and their weightage. Now we know how many units are there for this subject. So let us see the syllabus of each unit. So first unit is Overview of C Programming, which contain structure of C program, assembler, linker, compiler, interpreter. Second point, C character set, which include keywords, identifiers, types of constant like integer, single character, string and real, variables, scope of variable and concept of ASCII. Third point is data type, which contain integer, unsigned, signed, long, float, double, character, char, string, octal and hexadecimal. Fourth point is algorithm and flowchart. Fifth one is formatted input and output statements, input and output functions. Sixth point is operator and expressions, which include first point is operators in C like arithmetic operator, logical operator, assignment, relational, increment and decrement, conditional, bitwise and special operators. B part is expressions and last one is precedence and associativity. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, फर्स्ट युनिटमध्ये आपण तर हे सगळे पॉईंट्स स्टडी करणार आहोत आणि त्याच्यानंतर ते रिमेंबर करणार आहोत, अंडरस्टँड करणार आहोत आणि प्रॅक्टिकलमध्ये सुद्धा अप्लाय करणार आहोत. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट युनिट इज युनिट नंबर 2, डिसिजन कंट्रोल अँड लूप कंट्रोल. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज डिसिजन मेकिंग. इफ स्टेटमेंट विच इन्क्लूड्स इफ, if else, nested if else, switch case statements. Part 2, second part is repetition in C, loop control statements, while, do while and for loop, break and continue statements, nested loops. So in this unit we will study these 2 points, decision making and control, loop control statements. We will see what are these statements, what is the syntax for this statement and how to implement these statements in our examples. Okay. Unit number 3, array and strings. Point 1 is introduction to array and its types. Point 2, declaration, initialization of array, accessing elements of an array, adding, deleting, sorting and searching of an array. Third point is introduction to string, initializing, declaring and display of string. Fourth point is string handling functions from standard library like string length, string copy, string cat, string compare, string lower, string upper. Okay, these are the all points regarding unit number 3, array and string. Unit 4, functions. Point 1 is concepts and need of function. Point number 2, library functions like math function, string handling function and other miscellaneous functions. Point 3, writing user defined function and scope of variables. Point number 4, parameter passing, call by value and call by reference. And the fifth point is recursive function. In this unit we will going to see all these functions and all these points in detail. Unit number 5, that is pointers. Point 1, concept of pointer and pointer variable, initialization of pointer, call by reference. Point number 2, pointer arithmetic. Point number 3, handling arrays using pointer. Point number 4, handling functions using pointers. Okay, so these are the all points related to unit number 5. In this unit we are going to see how to handle arrays and functions using pointer also. And the last unit is unit number 6, structure. Point number 1 is introduction and features and syntax of structure, declaration and initialization of structures, initializing accessing structures members using pointers, type def, enumerated data type using structure in C programming, operations on structure. Okay, these are the all points related to unit number 6. Okay, this is all about the syllabus of total 6 units of C programming language. So this is the very easy subject of this semester. So this is all about today's video lecture. In tomorrow's video lecture we will going to see the history of C programming language. Okay, thank you.